Hi everybody, Robert Jones back in the tasting kitchen today, and I am very excited to bring you something exciting. This is Runamok maple syrup. I met these guys at the show, the fancy food show, and I was super impressed. This is a nice high quality maple syrup company, and they sent me 2 bottles to try. They came packaged beautifully. So the first one here is cinnamon vanilla infused maple syrup, and the other one is bourbon barrel aged maple syrup. So if you are a bourbon connoisseur, this might be the thing for you. So I'm very excited. So just to check out the bottles, they're really cool. And the syrup, you can see it. This one's kind of a lighter color than this. Maybe you guys can see that. But check it out. They also sent me a whole bunch of other goodies to go along with this. So number one, you get a package like this that tells you all about their syrups. We'll go over that in a second. It tells you all the different things you can do with the different flavors. That's really nice packaging. Also, one of my favorite things is recipe cards. So they sent a whole bunch of these recipe cards. They're front and back. Let me just tell you some of the recipes they've got on here. Something called Tears of Joy, which is an ice cream sundae. Afternoon in Georgia, tea and scones, pantry favorites with Runamok maple. So they have a blue sky Vespa cocktail. I mean, hello, cocktail, maple syrup. Also, salad dressings, sausage crumble and nuts as a mix. Could have used back that on Sunday, Super Sunday. And all kinds of more cocktails. What to do with wines and cheeses. Anyway, whole bunch of that. So I'm excited today. So what I was going to do is I was going to make 2 small recipes from the recipe cards. I'm not following it exactly. I don't have exactly all the stuff that they do there. But, so we're going to make a sundae. We're going to use the bourbon barrel aged on a sundae, an adult sundae. And we're also going to make a tea infused with the cinnamon and vanilla. I'm very excited by that. So let's get started on that. Probably should tell you a little bit about this first. Okay, so this is a Runamok maple in Fairfax, Vermont. You can check them out at runamokmaple.com, R-U-N-A-M-O-K maple.com. It says they're a certified organic Vermont farm. So there you go, made in the USA. Refrigerate after opening. Oh, that's interesting. So before we get to the recipes, why don't I just give it a little taste with a spoon? I'm going to go for the vanilla one first because I think it's going to be a little bit lighter flavor. That could be totally wrong. So I've already opened these, so they're ready to go. Oh, you guys, this smells like fall heaven, my favorite season. So looks like I'm going to be pouring some syrup. I'll do like a commercial. Looks like cough syrup. Looks delicious. Oh, it smells really good. It's mapley. That is really good, you guys. The cinnamon is very light. I can definitely taste the vanilla. Do you guys like maple syrup? I love maple syrup. I want to have fake maple syrup. It's just like, just terrible. All right, so we're going to try that one in a second. All right, let's try the bourbon aged. And again, we'll do it like we're pouring cough syrup because a spoonful of sugar always helps the medicine go down. No license. That has a bourbonesqueness to it. Now, I am not a fan of the whiskey or the bourbon because I find them to be really harsh and because I drank too much when I was a teenager, and bourbon was not the thing. But this is really delicious. It just keeps bathing my mouth. That's nice. All right, let's make some recipes, you guys. All right, you guys, so I'm over here at the table, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make a maple-infused iced tea. I am a big, fat iced tea drinker, and to try something a little bit different, I thought it'd be fun to sweeten it with the maple syrup. So let's get started with that. So I'm going to be using the cinnamon vanilla infused one first, and the reason I'm going to use that is I think it'll go well with the black tea. It'll make it kind of like a chai, I think. So I'm going to put maybe a tablespoon of sugar or syrup in there. This little thing. And then I'm going to mix it with the hot tea. Just to make sure that the maple syrup gets dissolved. Excited by that. And then I'm going to put a little bit of milk. because that's how I'm rolling with this one. This is a fall flavor infused. And then let's just put some crushed ice. All right, that looks great to me. Give it a little stir. And then, of course, I'm going to use my recycled plastic straw from my drinking bottle. So we're not using plastic in the environment. It's a straw that I'm going to do again. All right, let's give that one a taste. Okay, guys, and for our second one, I thought I'd make a little treat here. I got 2 cups. We're going to make some ice cream sundaes. And I just went to TJ's and found some fun stuff. I was inspired by the card that came with them here. They've got an afternoon in Georgia sundae and also treasures of joy. But I thought I'd make my own because, yeah, not in Georgia. So I got some ruby cacao wafers, which I had never used. They're like chocolate chips, and it's the new ruby chocolate, if you guys have tried that. And I got some almond slivers because we're in California and I love almonds. And then I got something fun here. I got the butterscotch bits bar. So I thought what I'd do is start out with the butterscotch bits bar and just pop that open if I can here. Maybe. There we go. And then I thought oh, it's a nice dark chocolate. Oh, it's marble. Look at that. Oh, it's like a twofer. So I just thought I would take a little bit of this and just make some little crumbles. And hopefully not make too much mess. Kind of making an adult sundae here. All right. Don't need too much. Just a little bit. Making a mess. All righty. Set that guy aside. Okay, guys, for our sundae, I just got some French vanilla ice cream here. Might be a little hard. Might have to pop in the microwave. All right, let's see if I have my oh, there we go. Like that. I like a soft ice cream, you guys. So check that out. Popping that in there. Acceptable fingers. Acceptable clean fingers. Look at that. Just one more for you and a friend. Ta-da. Maybe your friend needs some more. There we go. All right, set that aside. Now, I've got our almonds here. California almonds. Just a sprinkle of those. And who remembers Snippy Snippy? And we've got our ruby cacao. Have you guys tried these? This is the new chocolate. There's a new type of chocolate. It's red. I haven't tried it. Try all that. All right. I thought it'd be fun to put it on here. Look at those. It's very adult looking. All right. And finally, a little sprinkle of our chocolate, because chocolate. All right, you guys. And the final thing is our syrup. We've got the maple bourbon barrel aged, the adult flavor. Now, you could add a little bit of rum to this, I was thinking. But for today, we'll make a PG. Oh, look at that, you guys. I am very excited to try that. All right, there you go. Check it out. Ba-bam. It is the moment you've been waiting for. Woohoo! Hi, Craig. All right, you guys. So we've got, first of all, our tea infused with maple here. It looks delicious to me. Being in California, I always want to drink something cold. And spring has sprung. Today it feels warm, so I'm excited by this. So just a reminder, this is just black tea, and this is the cinnamon vanilla infused. I'm trying to make sure I get all the words in there. Cinnamon vanilla infused maple syrup and ice. So just something simple, and with my reusable straw. Oh, that is really good. I am like blushing. That is so good, you guys. It's got a nice sweetness. It's not too sweet, It's just enough that it makes it feel like a really refreshing drink. I got lots of ice in here because you know us Americans, we gotta have lots of ice. That's really nice. I would totally serve that to everybody that came over to my house. Really good. Amok, be doing it right. All right. So there's that one. All right, number 2. Now, first of all, I've got 2 of these here, and I'm very excited to share this. So today, on camera, of course, we have Raccoon. So I'm going to give him the first sundae off camera. Enjoy. Okay. Number 2. So just a reminder, we have vanilla ice cream, and we have the ruby red chocolate. We have the slivered almonds. I'm sorry, the sliced almonds, and also just a little bit of chocolate sprinkled on top. So bon appetit. And I want to get a nice. See this down here? This is what I'm going for. This is where the maple is. Going for that. All right. Oh. That is delicious. It goes so well with the ice cream. I could put that on everything. Now, you guys are probably wondering, why didn't you do waffles? Why didn't you do pancakes? You guys know how to make waffles. You know how to make pancakes. Now make something different. Something to serve with your friends. High-class friends. It's classy. All right. I'm having a bite. I'm a huge ice cream fan, and this makes a delicious topping. That is the adult sundae. It is not goopy or overly sweet. You know, sometimes you get toppings. Don't make me mention Magic Shell. Sometimes you get toppings that are just way too goopy. That's a nice sweetness. It goes well with the almonds. I'm curious about the red chocolate, so let's... They say it's fruity, and it does have a fruitiness to it. All right, one more bite because it's just so good. That maple is really nice. All right, you guys, put that down. So much sugar. I love it. All right. All right, you guys, I want to say a special thanks to the Runamok people. Your product is delicious. I really appreciate meeting you guys at the show. Thanks for sending out these couple bottles. This is a non-sponsored video. These guys just sent this out for me to try and to tell you about. And yeah, I don't know where else to get this, but I'm going to definitely have to look. Just to remind you guys, it's a product of the USA. It's from Vermont. It's runamokmaple.com. There you go. All right, hope you enjoyed this video. It was fun to make something easy with a nice product, and enjoy seeing you guys here always. So come on back, hit like, subscribe, blah, 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 blah. Do it all. Love to see you guys again. I'm Robert Jones. This is Taste Test, and this is Eudaemonius Mark II channel. Take care, you guys.